How to package a game and put it on Steam Deck. Nothing is impossible if you ask the right question. Hi, I'm Tim and welcome to Blueprint Codex, your visual dictionary for Unreal Engine. And today is P for packaging. What is packaging in Unreal? Packaging is how Unreal Engine converts your project into an executable game like .exe for Windows or an app for mobile. It takes all your game's assets, blueprints, and the code and compiles them into a standalone version that players can run. And I'll explain to you in 3 steps. The first step is pre-Unreal Engine checklist, the second step is packaging the game in Unreal Engine, and the third step is deploy the game and playtesting on Steam Deck. Step 1. Pre-Unreal Engine checklist, visual asset preparation. Since I'm packaging for Windows, here are the recommended size for essential assets. Game icon. This small image represents your game. For Windows, use a 256 by 256 pixels .ico file. Ensure the dimensions are exact. Too large and it won't load correctly, too small and it will appear pixelated. Thumbnail. This image is shown in Launcher or game libraries. A typical size is 192 by 192 pixels. I prefer to match my game icon for consistency and visual appeal, which help identify the game instantly. Splash screen. Display when your game starts up. This image is commonly 720 by 370 pixels. This can be a simple screenshot or a detailed render. Just make sure the resolution and quality are optimal. Personally, I like customizing my editor's splash screen during development because it adds a pleasant touch each time I open the project. Next, download the SteamOS Devkit Client. Initially, I faced a bit trouble finding the right link, but the correct one is provided in the video description below. This client will allow you to upload and test your game directly on the Steam Deck. Finally, enable developer mode on your Steam Deck by navigating to Settings, System. Scroll down to find a toggle developer mode. A new developer tab will appear, providing additional customization options if needed. I usually keep this setting default, but feel free to explore if you want more control. With all this preparation done, we are ready to jump into Unreal Engine and start packaging our game. Step 2. Packaging the game in Unreal Engine. Now that our pre-Unreal checklist is complete, let's package our project. Follow these detailed steps. Number 1. Build lighting and levels. Before packaging, it's important to optimize your level for performance and visuals. Navigate to Build menu and select Build Lighting only. This ensures all lighting information is sufficiently baked. Build lighting separately help quickly identify and resolve potential issues. Making the overall build process smoother. Once lighting is built successfully, perform a full build on all your levels. Doing lighting first reduces total build time and minimize error during the comprehensive build process. What is cooking in Unreal Engine? Cooking converts the optimized game assets specifically for your chosen platform, compressing texture, converting formats, and prepping data so your packaged game runs smoothly. By the book, cooking with asset and pre-cook before packaging, suitable for final builds. On-the-fly cooking, compile asset dynamically, typically used during testing. 2. Configure project settings. Go to Edit, Project Setting. Navigate to Platform and select your primary platform such as Windows. Upload your game icon and splash screen. For other platforms like Android or iOS, click on the respective platform under Platforms. Here, you can see recommended asset dimension and guidelines directly in Unreal Engine. Adjust your icon and splash screen accordingly. 3. Create a custom packaging profile. Creating a custom profile ensures consistency and ease in future packaging. Open the project launcher. Click on Profile and select New Custom Profile. Name the profile clearly and add a brief description for clarity. Detailed configuration steps. Project section, confirm you selected the correct Unreal project. Build section, change from automatically to manually specify build configuration. Set configuration to shipping for the final deployment. Cook section, change cooking method from on the fly to by the book to pre-cook all assets. Platform, select your intended platform such as Windows. Cook culture, typically default to English, adjust if necessary. Advanced settings, scroll to the cooking configuration to shipping. Package section, set deployment to package and install locally. Choose a clear accessible folder to store your final build. Deploy section, choose Do Not Deploy as deployment will be handled manually. After configuring these settings, return to the launcher, select a new custom profile and click Package. The packaging process can take some time depending on the project complexity. Once packaging complete, quickly test your packaged game on the PC to confirm it ran correctly before deploying into Steam Deck. Now, with packaging successfully completed, you are ready to move on to deploying and testing your game on Steam Deck. Step 3. Uploading to Steam Deck and playtesting. Ensure your Steam Deck and PC are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. They should automatically detect each other. If automatic connection fails, manually connect using Steam Deck's IP address. Open the SteamOS Devkit Client. Go to Title Upload and enter your game's name. Copy and paste packaged game folder path into the local folder field. Enter exact name of your executable file in the Start command field. This is crucial as incorrect naming causes launch errors. After entering all the information, click Upload. If you encounter issue running the game, return to Devkit Client. Activate Start Visual Studio C++ debugger service on launch. Also enable Wait for debug client to attach. Retry uploading. I hope you successfully package the game and have great time playtesting. Stay juicy, keep making cool stuff, and see you next time!